Well, we made it to New Year's Eve, and I want to take a huge thank you to all of our loyal ToolBxBuzz subscribers. You make the journey so much fun. To all the tool manufacturers out there, your dedication keeps us building and creating one tool at a time. As we head into 2025, let's raise a glass to more discoveries, fewer trips to the hardware store for that missing part. We can dream, right? Look, may 2025 be filled with new challenges, stronger foundations, successful projects, and a lot less stress when something inevitably breaks. We can't wait to continue sharing this journey with you. Happy New Year, everybody.